So you may have seen one of my videos where I'm complaining about shopping, where I've actually had anxiety having to go to a certain large superstore to get things that I need for the month. And I have decided this is one step to address that problems. I have been getting my protein from Amazon on Subscribe and Save, and I thought, why am I not getting everything I need on a regular basis from Amazon Subscribe and Save? Even if I'm paying a little bit more for it, I'm not having to get in my car, drive to places, walk through the store, put myself in danger by being in the parking lot in the store with some of these freaks and having to take the time and the gas money to drive home. It comes to me, right to my door. So I'm going to pay a little bit more for that convenience. I didn't even check the prices on most of it. If it was something I could get, I just put it in and set it up to be delivered on the frequency that I need. So this is my first big shipment. I have another one coming in tomorrow and another one coming in, I believe, on Wednesday. Let's see what's happening. I happened to be in the front yard when this came, and the mail person asked if he could walk it to my door, and I told him no, that I had it. Even though it says heavy on here. So we'll see what's in this one. So I have my regular protein that I get. The regular shipment that came, I put it in my oatmeal and drink it for work every day. So one thing I got was the Downy Unstoppables, the Tide Original Scent. I've kind of settled on this as being one that works really, really well in my laundry. I have a video up about that. So it's on auto ship to come to me once a month, I believe. I've decided this is going to be my regular laundry detergent. There's others that work well, but this really goes well with the Tide Scented Unstoppables. And this one's pretty heavy, so that's one of the things that made this container pretty heavy. I have a video up about this one. These are the juices that I drink every morning. I have a video up about them. I usually drink about a half of a cup of this when I take my vitamins and my supplements. Also pretty heavy. This is the contact lens solution that I like. It just doesn't irritate my eyes. And this was a concession because normally with these there's a $1 coupon in there, which I like using coupons, but now I don't have to keep up with the coupon. I don't have to drive to the store. I don't have to shop for it. I don't have to do anything inconvenient. It's just going to arrive at my doorstep on a monthly basis, or I think this one's every 2 months because it takes about a bottle a month. These are my favorite Quest bars. I'm not really an Oreo fan, so I was surprised when I liked these. I also have a video review up about that. And at work every day for lunch, I take one of these bars and make myself a chocolate shake with Dasani water. I'll show how to do that in the video. So I'm getting about 43 grams of protein for about 300 calories. It's about all I have time to eat. Anyway. And this was the new item that I've never tried in here. I do take biotin for my hair and my skin and my nails, even though my nails don't look like it. I don't know what they would look like if I didn't take this. I like the types that do the fast dissolve. They're flavored because I usually take this in the afternoon after I get home from school. So it's like a little treat. So we'll see how these will do, and a video will be forthcoming. Here's some pricing on that. This whole flat was $14.61. The biotin was $5.45. The BioTrue was $11.67. I think it had like a $3 discount coupon for the first use, which was great because normally I think that's about 14 or 15 bucks in the store. The Unstoppables $11.97. And the Tide Pods is the 81 pack, and got it for $18.33. The chocolate milkshake comes in a larger pack. It's now in a 3-pound pack. It was $38.96. The salted caramel is still a 2-pound. The salted caramel is still a 2-pound pack, and each one was $38. The Quest bars were $20.56 a pack which comes out to be $1.71 a bar. That's pretty cheap, especially since I don't have to go to the store and get them. On the subscribe and save, the more items you add, the greater the discount is. I think if you do like 3 to 5 items, you get a 5% discount. If you do a certain number, you get a 15% discount on all your items. So it pays to find extra things to add to your subscribe and save. Easier on me. It's saving me a lot of time having to go shopping so far. Otherwise, I would have had to spend a couple of hours shopping for this stuff today. So I'm here instead. Thank you for watching my video about my unboxing of my first subscribe and save big package from Amazon. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, and if you have time, watch another one of these videos before you go. And if you have things that you regularly shop for, consider going to Amazon and seeing if they have it on the subscribe and save feature. Bye. See better consumers.